In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shipping to some locations in Shopify. If you've been looking for a way to fine-tune the areas where you want to ship your products, this guide is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to customize your shipping settings with ease, allowing you to streamline your delivery efforts and focus on your target markets. Let's dive into the process. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, move your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. Click on that, and it will open up a variety of settings for your online store. From the list that appears, go ahead and select Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you'll manage everything related to how your products reach your customers. Now that you're in the shipping and delivery settings, you need to click on the shipping profile you are currently using. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific settings applied to your current shipping strategy. Adjusting this profile means that any changes you make will directly influence how your store handles shipping regulations and logistics. Once inside your shipping profile, look for a section labeled Zones. This is where your shipping destinations are defined, and you can make changes to suit your business needs. Click on to proceed. You'll be presented with a list of the locations you're currently shipping to. If there are certain areas you no longer wish to support shipping to, simply uncheck those boxes. This allows you to refine your shipping zones efficiently, ensuring that you're only covering locations that align with your business plan. After you've made the necessary adjustments, the next step is to click Done. It's important to remember to save your changes, though. Saving your work is the final confirmation to Shopify, letting it know that you're content with the adjustments you've put in place. And with those steps, you're all set. You've successfully managed to remove shipping to locations that no longer serve your purpose. By tailoring your shipping zones, you can better target your preferred customer demographics and allocate resources more effectively. Keep in mind that refining your shipping settings isn't just about reducing areas. It's an adaptive strategy that can be revisited as your business grows and changes. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial on how to remove shipping to some locations in Shopify. Remember, keeping your shipping options updated is a small yet vital part of providing excellent service to your customers and optimizing your business operations. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for other practical tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy selling!